In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete IronFX account. Now, to delete your IronFX account, you first have to close any open trades and old positions on your accounts and then withdraw all the funds from your real accounts, okay? Now, whenever you do this, you will then have to contact IronFX support through to their contact us page, okay? So the easiest way to do this is by going down here at the bottom right where you can see this chat box, click on it, and then here you can go ahead and fill out the form to start the chat, and then you have to basically put in a few basic things. So if you have an account, yes, your name, email, the account number, and then here you want to also do your preferred language, and then you can also choose your nature of your request. So here you could just do something like general or whatever you want to do here, and then you can start the chat, and then of course you'll be able to request your account deletion via that. Now, if that actually doesn't work and if they don't respond right away, or if of course they say that you have to send an email, what you can do is also email them and get your account deleted that way. And the way you can actually email them is if you go over here on their official website, which is ironfx.com, and when this loads, there we go, you can scroll down to the very bottom over here, and then at the very bottom here there should be a contact us page. So it should be right over here. There we go, it says contact us, and you want to click on this over here. It's going to open yet another page here where you'll be able to see their contact details. And here, as you can see, it says send us a message. Click on send message, and then there we go, you can do it via here, and then you can get your account deleted that way. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.